I was born this way, and don't hate me. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful. But I'm like Baby Jack Jack.
It's Tubi Toys.
Girl here, and not just any Elastigirl. I'm the limited edition Mystery Mini. How are you guys? Everybody good? Good, good, good. Today we have a special episode for you. Today we are going to investigate fake Funko Mystery Minis. Yes, there, I said it. There are fakes out there, and we are going to investigate them. Before we begin, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Tubi Toys. And if you're new here, let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to ring that notification bell. Guys, every time we post a new video or host a giveaway, you're going to be the first one to get notified. So make sure you ring that bell. Let's get started. I have a special delivery for our Funko Mystery Minis. Here we go. Let me go get it. Ugh. This is super heavy. Oh my goodness. This came all the way from China. So let's give it to them and let's compare and contrast our Funko Mystery Minis. Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubi Toys, and today I'm with my awesome assistant,
Tubi.
Can you say hello, Tubi?
Hello, Tubi.
I want to thank Elastigirl for joining us and bringing us this amazing package all the way from China. I was on dhgate.com just perusing because I got an email and I just clicked it or whatever, and they had Funko Mystery Minis for Incredibles 2, so I ordered them like 2 months ago and they finally arrived, so I wanted to compare them and contrast them to the actual Funko Mystery Mini figure. Oh my gosh.
There's Monster Jack Jack.
Oh my goodness. Already off the bat.
There's Monster Jack Jack.
Oh my goodness. They're individually wrapped. They're not like blind bags. Wow, we get a lot. Ooh, let's throw it. All of these. Alright, now that we have all of our fakes unboxed or unwrapped, let's say, we have some new faces in this set. Now, originally there are 12 in the original set. We have Edna Mode, Violet, Dash, Frozone, Elastigirl in her revamped super suit, Screenslaver, Void, Baby Jack Jack, Elastigirl in her incredible super suit with an elastic arm, Fire Jack Jack, Mr. Incredible, and the Underminer. That's 12. So now we have these new ones. We have the Raccoon. That's really cool that it comes with a raccoon. I like that.
Me too.
And he's not posable. He's a one-piece figure. I don't even think his head, no, nothing moves on him. He is non-articulating, and he doesn't even look like the real raccoon, but he's pretty close to it, and it's nice to have a small raccoon figure. That's cool. And then we have Monster Jack Jack. This is horrendous. It's just disgusting. It does not look anything like Jack Jack. It's not posable at all. It's scary. It's not Baby Jack Jack, even though I understand what they were trying to do, but it's just totally not him. And maybe I'll use it for videos. I'm not sure. It's for $15, or you can't go wrong.
I love those new mystery minis that they got.
Let's start with Mr. Incredible. So this is the fake. You could definitely tell the difference. Let me grab the other one. There's some goop over here, some paint.
The Jack Jack.
Yes, we have Baby Jack Jack in the playpen. So this is the real one. You can see that Funko's beautiful paintwork over here. His skin tone is pretty good. His hair color is accurate. This one is just like a fake, cheap reproduction. But look how disgusting it is. It's gross. This is just nasty. I don't like it. So you can definitely tell how fake it is. Even like his underwear is like spilling over into his leg. His like butt looks totally lopsided. It's terrible. Okay, so that is a bad replica. Let's get the Underminer. Look at him. He is freaky looking. It's actually really cool though that they made an Underminer. And they really tried to make him look like the Underminer. The paintwork is really bad, and I'll show you in a second, like the blending's off. His teeth are even darker than usual, and it just doesn't look that bad. I'm surprised they even had a little metallic feel on the look on the actual cape.
And also this Underminer, it looks a little bit like, wait no, this one, it looks a little bit smaller.
Well, they are the same size to scale. Maybe a little bit smaller. This is a little bit smaller, but this is the same size. The paint is definitely off. Funko's in Vietnam. This is China. So definitely different factories, but they have almost similar molds. It is crazy though, like how these fakes are out there. I'm amazed. Which one do you want to do next?
I want to do the regular baby Jack Jack.
All right, M2B wants to talk about baby Jack Jack. Now, baby Jack Jack has blue eyes in the movie. That is correct. They did get that right. Unfortunately, mystery minis don't have colored eyes like that. And these mystery minis in general do only have black eyes. So let's compare the two. They are the same size. They have everything the same except their paintwork. And it looks like baby Jack Jack's neck is just too long. The head is not pushed down quite all the way, and it just looks really, really bad. There's some like cut marks over on the base of his head, and it just looks like a really, really poorly done figure. The hair color is off, just totally different. So if you're gonna buy like any of these online, just know that these are what they look like.
This one has black ones and this one has orange.
That's right, the bottom of his feet are black and the bottom of, well, he has orange shoes, the fake one. So that's a really good indicator, very, very good. And the eyes. One thing I do have to say about these fake ones is that they stand pretty well. As I'm standing them up, I really have no issues. Now let's just talk about the elephant in the room. We have Fire Jack Jack. Fire Jack Jack is translucent. This is the Funko version, which is really, really awesome. Fire Jack Jack is so cool, and he is translucent, unlike his fake counterpart, which is a solid color. And look, they are totally different. Where is baby Jack Jack's eyes? Where are the eyes? They're gone. They just put his eyebrows on there, and that was it. He has no eyes.
But I think he's just closing his eyes.
Yes, I thought that too. However, his eyes are just way too high. They match up. They're in line with the eyebrows. This guy is missing his eyes. So they really, really tried. They didn't try hard enough with this one. At least put the eyes. But he is using the same mold again. Not translucent, though. He looks kind of like, you know, he looks like Sally from...
Nightmare Before Christmas?
No, from Peanuts.
Oh.
Charlie Brown's sister.
Yeah, I know.
If you just, like, looked at her like this, or looked at him like this, I would think it's Sally. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below.
I don't think it's Sally.
Very, very disappointing. But for $15, again, you can't go wrong. This is Elastigirl in her new super suit. Let's compare them, and it looks terrible. Her bodysuit, the bodice of the actual suit is blue. It's not an all-over purple. Just the legs are purple. Her face looks kind of good. The hair is almost the same. Skin tone doesn't match.
But the shirt of this, like blue and purple, they kind of like blue is like is like purple.
Yeah, you're right, but it's definitely not the same. Again, again another another fake, totally fake.
I wanna compare Violet.
Well, let's see how this one stands. Oh, she doesn't stand very well.
The new Violet, she's definitely her leg.
Oh, let's look at the fake Violet. Oh my gosh, this is horrendous. I do have to say though, her legs are attached. Our Funko Violet, her legs were broken in the bag. Right now I attached them, but they were broken. Look at this. Oh my gosh, she has like a boyish figure. It's very like sporty figure, a very, very long torso.
And also, the eyes are like terrible for this.
Yeah, they are. They're like smaller, and she looks kind of like, duh.
Yeah.
She doesn't look very good at all.
Yeah.
Oh, I lost her leg.
Guys, the real Violet, her legs, this one, it's like glass.
It looks like glass. Yes, it's translucent. It's see-through, and they use just a regular white, just a regular leg. They just painted it white. Clear as day, fake. Let's compare Dash's real figure against the fake.
That's what I was going to say. Can
this is terrible. Yes, of course we can. Okay, so we have a translucent like speed trail, and then we have a brown one. Looks almost like he did a poop, and he's running away from it, or he's sliding in some dog doo. Right?
Yeah, but this hair, it looks so yellow.
Yeah, it does.
And this one looks like it's kind of like gold.
Yes. definitely different. Like there's a glossy finish on the fake ones and a matte finish on the real ones. And of course he has the blue eyes here. The paint is just horrific again. And a dead giveaway is the clear versus the brown. Really, really, really bad. Does it stand? No, it does not stand. And I'm not going to sit there and try. Here we go. Okay. We have Frozone next. And Frozone, another dead giveaway. This just looks so bad. Frozone looks so bad. He just looks terrible. Only because, look, his ice is white. And it's like he turned the thing into snow, not into clear, beautiful ice. See, it's translucent on the bottom, but the real one, his skin tone is perfection on the real one. On the fake one, it's lighter than it should be. They do have his hands perfect. It's the exact same figure. It really, really is.
And also, they look like brothers.
They do. It's only little differences. Yeah. But again, the bottom just does not look good.
This color and this color, they don't look the same. This one looks kind of like purple, and this one looks like blue.
Well, yes, his glasses are different color. Like, you know, his his mask. His eyeglasses, or whatever we want to call this, eye covers, don't match this one.
I'll call them masks.
All right, masks. All right, everything's falling. Let's see how he stands. Oh, this one stands perfectly. Okay, excellent. Now let's look at Void. Horrific. Now we all know, if you watch the movie, Void is not a villain, like I had said in other videos. I really didn't know what she was in that Power Couple video. I thought she was a villain.
Me too.
Yeah, because the way that they had her as a target. Yeah. So, you know, now after seeing the movie, I'm not giving anything away. Don't worry, there's no spoilers here. But, yeah. Okay, let's take a look at Void. Void, now, they made her look like a villain. Because look at the way her mouth is, and she has villainous eyebrows. They gave her eyebrows, and they made her mouth like all like mad and everything. So let's look at the real one. You can see she's quite, you know, she's happy. She looks like she's maybe not happy, but more like smirking, like, yeah, I got this because I'm creating my Void right now. Her translucent Void on her hands, her superpower is actually silver. They made her look like she's carrying saws. And she has no eyebrows here. Of course, the Funko paint isn't the greatest. I gotta be honest, I really wasn't happy with this collection. I thought the paint work wasn't that great, but comparing it now to the fakes, I'm so happy to have Funko. So grateful. She really doesn't look that great. They gave her like a preppy like V-neck shirt, comparing it to her Void symbol right here. There's like some airbrushing done, which they tried to like make look good. Meanwhile, there's no airbrushing needed because it's the top portion is painted really, really nicely. The back, the hair actually looks pretty good, but there's like seam work over here that's just no good. I'm really surprised that they actually did some detail with the fingers. Overall, no bueno. I don't like it. Don't like it.
And last up is the regular Mrs. Incredible from her original suit inside part 1 and part 2.
Excellent, excellent. Now here's the fake one. Here is the regular Mrs. Incredible or Elastigirl super suit. All right, let's take a look at Elastigirl. She has her elastic arm in this one. This is the fake one. She's got someone's fingerprint on her face.
That's what I was seeing.
Isn't that crazy? That's a fingerprint right there, guys. This is hand painted then. Wow, we are lucky. I wonder if they hand painted these and just mailed them. That's what I think they did. They just made them to order. Now let's take a look at the original one. Okay, this is the real one. And take a look at the mouth here. The fake one's mouth is smaller. The bleed on the eyes is just terrible. You could see like her, like underneath the mask, like she has like bags under her eyes. This one, I mean, is no better, the paintwork, but I mean, it's, you know, you could tell that it's, you know, the real one. The Incredibles logo is smaller. Let's see how flexible. This is pretty flexible for the fake one. This is not as flexible. It's more harder. It's a harder plastic. This is weird, this like hairline over here that we're missing, like her sideburn is missing in the fake one. And she looks a little bit thinner, even though she's got like hips that don't lie. She looks a little thinner. Overall, really, really, really bad fake. Terrible. She stands up perfectly, though. How funny is that?
Cool.
Very, very cool, right?
I know why his eyes are like this and his mouth is like this.
Why?
Because it's fake.
Right. Well, let me go get a Monster Jack Jack figure and compare it. Really, like, get ready for this. This is the real, like, Jack Jack from Jakks Pacific.
Yeah.
Look at this. This doesn't even look like, not even remotely close. I'm sorry. The eyes are terrible. The nose is just like, he looks more gorish in this one.
Yeah.
Like a goblin. Like, you could tell that he was like a baby that transformed in this one. This is just like, I was born this way. And don't hate me. Don't hate me because I'm beautiful. But I'm like baby Jack Jack.
They both look like really bad monsters.
They do both look like really bad monsters. You're right. Unfortunately, we do not have a Screenslaver fake to compare it to. That's a bummer, right?
Yeah, but I was going to say let's take Screenslaver out of this video since Screenslaver didn't come with it. And it did not have Edna Mode.
That's right. So we're missing two. We're missing fake Edna Mode. But how can you do a fake of Edna Mode? Ah! No capes and no fakes. And Screenslaver, I can't believe they just couldn't replicate this guy. Must have been really hard to do.
Yeah. And Screenslaver's a villain, so he doesn't have to be in it.
Well, we have Underminer.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So, why is everybody falling? It looks like a bunch of, like, soldiers. Like, we had a war here and everybody just fell.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. I'm sorry about all the noise and the baby talk in the background. I really don't have a lot of time to make videos in the summer with the kids around. So, you got to take it or leave it, folks. Give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel. Ring that bell. And let us know in the comments below which is your favorite. Which fake do you like? Do you like the fakes? Do you like the new ones? Would you buy these? Do you want a link to buy them? I'll put it in the description below to get them. They are dhgate.com.
My favorite.
$15. I mean, I think I spent like $18 with shipping. You're going to wait like 2 months though for fakes. I don't think it's worth it. But if you want figures to play with that are like the mystery minis, I guess this is as close as you're going to get.
And also, I like this set and this set. Those are my favorite sets.
I know you do. All right, guys. Thanks so much for watching.
And have a great day.
Have a great day. Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.